Running a private practice can be incredibly rewarding, but without the right know-how, many owners will face unexpected challenges that can lead to financial struggle. Hi, my name is Jamey Schrier, and as an executive coach, I've been helping private practice owners grow their businesses for over 11 years. In this video, I will share the 5 most common pitfalls that I have seen with my clients so you can avoid making the same mistakes. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, financial mismanagement. This is the lack of understanding and or execution of areas like budgeting, key metrics, or being prepared for slow months. Unfortunately, too often, a practice owner will look at their bank account to determine how well they're doing. If there's money in the account, hey, they're happy. If there's no money, well, they're not so happy and they're a little bit nervous. This type of financial mismanagement will cause reactive decision-making that leads to lower profits. So, here's some actionable advice. Create a realistic budget. Hire a bookkeeper to help you. Next, set aside reserve funds, rainy day funds. Take 5% of your net income and place it into a separate account for a rainy day. And most important, track your metrics. Metrics will tell the story of how well your business is running and help you make good decisions. Mistake number 2, lack of a marketing strategy. Let's face it, without a steady stream of new patients, your practice will continue to struggle. And no, word of mouth isn't enough. Let me share a quick story. I was working with this physical therapist who had tons of open patient slots. She was losing thousands of dollars every week. And when I asked her to show me her referral metrics, she couldn't. It turns out the problem wasn't actually with new patients. She had an excellent conversion rate. The problem was referrals. She didn't have any sort of marketing plan. So we ended up creating a very specific and manageable marketing plan for her. And within weeks, her slots were filled. So here's some things that you can do. Review your marketing metrics. Where are your referrals coming from? What is your conversion rate? How many new patients do you actually need to meet your goals? Another thing you can do is ensure that your Google My Business account is properly filled out and up to date. Also, try emailing 1 newsletter per week to your past patients. Constantly reach out to potential referral partners to see how you can best support them. Mistake number 3, poor location choice. Before opening up a new location, answer these questions. How accessible is the location for your target audience? How good is the visibility? Is it convenient for patients? Are potential or current referral partners close by? Let me share a quick story. So I had a clinic in Rockville, Maryland. It had good parking, it was in a medical building, but it wasn't really easily accessible to my audience. So when I opened a second clinic, I made sure it was convenient to my audience, had good signage, it had a little more up-to-date building. What happened? In less than 2 years, it doubled my existing location that I had for 10 years. So here's some quick actionable advice. Research your area. Consider factors like visibility, competitors, and easy access. When leasing a space, check out for any restrictions on signage or office modifications. And then ask some ideal clients what they think about it. Mistake number 4, a poorly managed staff. A practice is only good as its training and its team. However, if you have poor training, if you have lots of turnover, you can lose a lot of money. So research shows that the people that don't invest in best practices of hiring and training saw a significant increase in cancellations. This also affected staff turnover and profitability. So here's some actionable steps you can do. Hire people who align with your vision and values. Pay them fairly. Provide ongoing training and opportunities for professional advancement. Mistake number 5, neglecting patient experience. Practices that fail to provide a consistent patient experience will lose customers to competitors. Here's some examples. Not being able to schedule with ease. Having people have to stay on the phone for 10 or 20 minutes to schedule. Lack of communication. People are unsure what to expect from you, what they expect from your place. One person has a different experience than someone else with the same problem. But here are some things you can do. Train your team on the soft skill communications. An example is how to build rapport. Be responsive to patient needs. Optimize scheduling processes to minimize wait times. Collect and respond to patient feedback to continually improve the patient experience. Look, owning a private practice in today's world doesn't come without its challenges. But with the right know-how, with the right plan and preparation, there is no doubt you can build a thriving and successful practice. So if your practice is struggling and you're ready to make an upgrade, I invite you to schedule a call about how business coaching can help you get back on the right track. Just click in the description below and book a call with me. And if you want to learn some strategies to reduce your cancellation rates, well then check out the video right up there and hopefully it can help you. Appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you next time.